Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. I just wanted to show you this old Hercus 9-inch metal lathe. This has been sitting in my workshop for probably 5, 6, maybe 7 years, and I've used it for doing some wood turning. I know that's blasphemy, but I've been using a metal lathe for turning some wooden rollers. And it's been sitting in my shop and sitting and sitting and sitting. And my old buddy Fred, that likes to restore old equipment, saw it years ago, and he's been bugging me every now and again about it. And I finally broke down today and decided that it deserves to live with him. So we made a deal, broke both our backs, and brought this thing to his garage, his workshop here. And he's going to, over probably the rest of this year, lovingly disassemble this thing and restore it to all its glory. Basically, as best to close to show condition as he can, and then he's actually going to use it for making some parts for some of the other machines that he likes to work on and restore.